Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Range Rover headlight. First, let's prepare for the task. Gather your essential tools, such as a screwdriver and trim removal tools. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off, and for safety, disconnect the battery. Then, simply open the hood to locate the headlight assembly you wish to remove. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer. Now, let's gain access to the headlight. Begin by carefully removing the front grille. This usually involves releasing a few clips or screws. Once the grille is off, you will see the retaining bolts or clips that secure the headlight unit. Loosen these fasteners. Finally, reach behind the headlight and gently detach the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it away. With the fasteners and electrical connector free, it's time to remove the headlight. Gently slide the entire headlight assembly forward to release it from its mounting points. Take care to ensure no other wires or hoses are still attached or become snagged during this step. Once fully detached, carefully lift the headlight out and place it on a soft, clean surface to protect its lens and housing from any damage. After successfully removing the headlight, take a moment for some important post-removal steps. Inspect the vehicle's headlight area for any debris, dirt, or potential damage. It's also wise to note the headlight's exact orientation. This will make reinstallation much simpler. Finally, consider cleaning the headlight lens or replacing any bulbs while the unit is easily accessible, saving you future effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.